One, two, three, go. 안녕하세요. I'm Kadumbari.
This is Youngjae. Namaste, I'm Gonu.
Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe, and if you're enjoying the videos, please like and share with your family and friends. आज तो पीकॉक नहीं पीहेन घूम रहे हैं. My dad is an ex-army officer, so you can imagine when Youngjae spoils his garden, उनको क्या होता होगा. मेरी मॉम इस कार्पेट को इतना डिलीजेंटली धो रही है. अगले 2 दिन में यू विल सी यंगजे और उसका कज़न इसका क्या हाल बनाते हैं.
하자고? 같이. 잠깐만. 올라가. 네가 올라가 봐. 할 수 있네 그래. 보자 한번 보자. 오이 잘하네 이제. 이야.
So we've always had a peacock in our house, one or the other time, but this is the second time जब peacock इतने feathers गिरा रहा है.
Why did you break it?
He doesn't know. It's his experiment.
My understanding is that he's figured out ये plants मिट्टी डाल के ग्रो होते हैं. ये plant saplings मेरी मम्मी ने इतनी मेहनत से लगाए हैं. She'll only get to know when she watches this video what he's done with them.
어이 캐플린. Youngjae, don't break the small ones. 오야. 아차 바이 백화도 보라꾸니하고.
So today I'm going to share my chocolate chip cookie recipe. This is half cup white sugar or bura and 3/4 cup brown sugar. Now I've added half cup melted butter in this and I'm going to mix it thoroughly. Now I'm going to add 1 egg to this, and egg should be at room temperature. I'm just mixing everything with my hand blender. Now I'm adding some vanilla essence here. Again, just mix it thoroughly before you add the dry ingredients. So now I'm adding the all-purpose flour or maida. Before you add the all-purpose flour, just mix half a teaspoon of baking soda to it and just mix it thoroughly before you add it into the wet ingredients. Here I have used 1/4 cup of maida and I've added it into the wet ingredients in 3 parts. So just mix the dough thoroughly. Just scrape out all the dry all-purpose flour from the sides. So now I'm adding chocolate chip. Of course, I couldn't get your traditional chocolate chip over here in the village, so I've just taken a normal dairy milk and chopped it, and I've added that over here. And I actually like it with the normal milk, you know, the dairy milk silk, and it's really tasty. So this is how your dough is going to look. I'm going to keep it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. You can also bake the cookies straight away, or you can bake them the next day. Meanwhile, I made idli for breakfast.
I'm eating my breakfast. Idli. It's South Indian food.
So I've scooped 5 balls from the dough that I made, and now I'm going to bake them in the oven for 15 minutes at 180. So while editing, I realized that I should add something to the cookie recipe, which is that if you want your cookies to be crispy, then just bake them for 17 minutes. Although at 16 minutes, just check them once if they're okay or not and not burnt. And but if you like, we like our cookies to be a little chewy, so we always bake them for 15 minutes. The first batch is baked at 15 minutes, and if you're going to put the second batch right after, then maybe 14 minutes. हाँ तो जाओ ऊपर से ले आओ फिर ये ले जाओ जैसे अब ये बहुत दिनों से इससे नहीं खेल रहे they'll be excited when चुपचाप लाके he left them behind and I did not even notice.
तुम नहीं करोगे हैं? तुम तो सब कुछ पता है ना इसको कुछ नहीं पता
Very nice.
अच्छा मेरे सिर पे पूरी मिट्टी लगा के गया ये मुझे
Green triangle. Perfect triangle.
हाँ chocolate you know this means what I'm gonna brush your teeth like anything.
He's very sleepy, so we are going to make him sleep soon. Good night, guys. Thanks for watching.